Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I tried drawing a D&D map. I played D&D briefly a while ago, but I never get to play anymore because of time issues and other life stuff. Regardless, I always had an interest for D&D art or any art related to D&D like character art and character sheets. Those fall in graphics design territory if I am correct. I was always amazed by other artists' works and I wanted to create some of my own. But I failed miserably with the character art. But recently I watched a tutorial on how to draw a D&D map and that excited me a lot. So I started drawing one. I started with a base map shape and then I was just placing icons wherever I pleased, but keeping the basic geography in mind, just like the video suggested me to do. And I'm just putting where the mountains will be, where the desert will be, and the forest. And I drew a compass in the corner which points to north, east, west, and south. I'm doing this for the first time, so there is bound to be a few mistakes, but I'm willing to play along and see what kind of result I can get from just knowing the basic stuff. Here I have a few names of my villages or landmarks, if you will, and I'm drawing the legends, the map legends, what each icon will look like and how they will all play together in the map as a whole. I'm just drawing the landmarks, a rough idea of the landmarks, if you will, and seeing that what works best for me, for my villages and stuff like that. And I'm trying to make them look as much better as possible, but I know that here is the rough work and I can play as much as I want, so I just do that in pencil. So I'm drawing quite a few shapes, how my villages will look, and this is where I draw the fort, which will be under the mountain there, and this is the desert palace. I kind of think of it like having an Arabian theme. By the way, my handwriting is quite awful. I'm sure you have noticed that, but I can't help it. I try to improve it by practicing more and more, but for some reason my handwriting refused to fix itself. Also, I think it's partly due to my issue with the hand shaking when I'm drawing something intense, and I decided not to let that keep me down, and that's why I keep pressing on, and I'm sure that with enough practice it will go away. So here you see me drawing the landscapes in pencil, and I am writing the names of the places in the map, and I'm doing that because I don't want to write the names after I finish drawing the icons. They may go over it, so I'm doing it right now, and I'm adjusting where I will put each of the things, and later I'm gonna come back with my black marker and I'm gonna darken it all. And you see me not drawing all the icons because that is quite a lot of work to be done when I can do this with the black pencil, black marker directly. And here I finally start to darken everything with the black marker. And as I'm doing it, I'm changing little things to make it all better, and I think that's necessary when you innovate a lot. And I kind of forgot blackening the last two mountains, but the fort turned out very well, and I love the palace, the Arabian palace above the map. I'm drawing the landscape, now I'm drawing the trees here. I wanted to add some variations along with the trees, and I was thinking what I could do. And for the plain lands I did this kind of scribbling texture, and I think it was working. For the swamp I decided to go with the designated icon. There was some in the Quiet Valley, But the interesting thing about Elder One is I filled it with this kind of trees that I initially used on my rough map. Then I come back with the full outlining the map, and I'm using two different pen here. I don't know if you can tell. There is one like little one size smaller pen, and there is one size bigger pen. And now I do some changes in the compass and redraw it. Here I'm outlining the map to make it a little bit better. And here is how it turned out. I named the map Titan's Rest, and I think for my first time, I think I did a good job. If you like this video, please comment and like, and most importantly of all, subscribe. Your one click can help me a lot. These videos are really hard to do, and I would appreciate it very much. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.